Hey guys, how's it going? Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And Lisa, thank you so much for giving me permission to shoot this video over to you guys. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy running ServiceMaster, but I just wanted to break down some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online. Now, I do work with a few ServiceMasters myself. I work with one in New Mexico and Texas and in Colorado. And I do understand that you guys, your web hosting service is Scorpion, and but sometimes these companies, these larger companies, have so many clients, they really don't have the time to actually. Not to put anyone down, but sometimes you just need a bit more. Okay. Now, I do just want to show you a few things. Now, there's three things that I want to talk to you about today. Okay, so the first one is going to be content. Secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks, and then lastly, we're going to talk about citations. Okay, and obviously, if you don't know what those things are, I'm just going to break them all down for you. Okay, so before I even started filming the video, I went on ahead and I was just kind of clicking things here and there. I'm highlighting all your content here for a reason, and I did notice that everything was pretty legit. The things that I clicked on, work, things like that. I had no problem with anything. Everything was linking up properly. But if I'm completely honest with you, Google cares more about content than anything else, right? So, and also obviously keywords related to that content. So if I were to just highlight, like I did earlier, all the words you had on your page and put it on here on my word counter, you can see that you have a total of 555 words. Now, a real authoritative website, Google counts an authoritative website to have anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, okay, total. And as you can see here, you're falling short just a little bit. But if you were to just, if you were wanting to just get at least over that 1,000 word mark, right, that would greatly increase your visibility. And the only reason, guys, I'm reaching out to you is because I did notice that out of Pittsburgh, I noticed that you guys weren't on the map pack first and foremost. Then you guys weren't anywhere in the organic section, which is kind of a mind boggler for me, because I know ServiceMaster is a corporate company with franchises all over the place. And to see that you guys aren't here, at least on in the first page of Google, nor on the map pack, is kind of mind-boggling. Okay, and I do notice that kind of is a trend with Service Masters, which is why I have currently 3 under my belt that I'm working with, and we've seen some great results. Okay, now secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks. Okay, I went on ahead and typed in your address here in my tool here. This tool is called Ahrefs, and it is a paid tool. Considering I am in the industry. But there are a bunch of free tools out there that you can use yourself, obviously. Do like a keyword researcher for free. You've got, backlink checker for free, things like that. And you can see basically what I'm seeing here, okay? And what Ahrefs does, it kind of just pulls the curtain back and it allows me to see what's going on in the background, okay? So as you can see here, you have 1,040 backlinks, 172 referring domains. And what these are is the referring domains are the amount of websites that are linking to you, okay? And then they're doing so 1,040 times, okay? This is what the backlinks mean. You have 1,200 keywords, and you have roughly 293 people visiting your website per month, bringing you a total of 2,100 $2,100 in traffic value. Now, the reason why that concerns me is because here in Pittsburgh, you have these other local companies that are outranking you in the map pack and in the organic section, okay? And what that tells me is that you're not ranking for these keywords that these guys are, okay? And keywords are just like this one that I put in here, restoration companies, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, or PA, I should say. You've got restoration services, mold remediation, things like that, okay? You guys aren't ranking for those keywords, and that's exactly what you guys do, as I can see on your website, right? And obviously, the other service masters that I do work with. And that's alarming, because there's a lot of money that you guys are missing out on, right? You guys being a bigger name out there, there's a lot of phone calls that you guys are just not getting, right? So with that being said, most of the traffic gets up here in the map pack, okay? And that's the last thing I want to talk to you guys about today, are citations. Now, citations are anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, right? So it'd be your business name, your address, and your phone number. If those are found in more directories than your competitors, this is how you land up here in the map pack. And a directory obviously is like Yelp. You've got Yellow Pages, White Pages, Home Advisor, Angie's List. All those are just just off the top of my head, those 5 directories, if you would have just put your business on them, that would greatly increase your visibility and your chances of getting up here in the map pack. Okay. Now there are also local directories to Pittsburgh that you could use, right? Like the Pittsburgh Chamber of Commerce, just things like that you could put your business on, and it could help you guys outrank these guys here in this area. All right. Now, with that being said, you're probably wondering where to go from here. And honestly, I don't want to sound salesy or anything like that. I'm honestly just trying to help you guys out. I know you guys have a web hosting service and an SEO company in Scorpion. But if you see that they're actually just not getting the job done, you could definitely outsource some help, as I'm doing with the other ServiceMasters that I'm helping right now. If you're wanting to do this all yourself or give this information to Scorpion, then you're more than welcome to do so, right? But if you're looking to outsource some help, as I said, you could definitely reach back out to me, and I could definitely see what I could do to help you guys out. Okay, just doing some digging myself, and I could see exactly where Scorpion just may be failing a little bit. Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time, guys. I hope that this video was informational for you guys. I hope that you guys are able to get you guys up here in the map pack and on the front page of Google, and then we could see what we can do from there. So thank you so much. Have a good day.